is going to be a quick tutorial on our mass VMRS feature. So if you aren't familiar with VMRS codes, a whole nother video series will do on that entire thing. But let's just talk about how you find VMRS codes in mass for as many part numbers as you would like. And it all starts with you uploading a spreadsheet. So in the spreadsheet, very easy, 3 columns: part number, description, or manufacturer. If you aren't familiar with your manufacturer name or you aren't sure who it is, you don't need to have it in. Just put in unknown. That's kind of our keyword for our system to know what to do there. But in this case, we do know them all. So you would save that file, and then you would head over to our Truck Info Advanced Parts Tools, a subscriber-only platform that has a bunch of advanced features. And in this case, I'm going to drag that file you just saw right into the system, and it'll pop up, and it's going to read those manufacturer names. And what it's asking to do is it's trying to match. So this is what was on your spreadsheet. This is what our system says. So in this case, it did not find Gunite Industries. Why is that? Because we have it under Gunite, not Gunite Industries. So if you can type it in there, if you can't find it, just check that box. That will search our entire database for all the part numbers for those particular ones. But in this case, we'll put it back to Gunite so it's nice and easy. And let's hit accept. So the next step here now is it wants to match. So now it's trying to match your part numbers, your description with our system. So in this case, we have a 10462, and you'll see in our system there's 2 of them here. There's a reman number and then there's a non-reman number. All right, we'll click the non-reman number and then we'll hit accept and crosses and go forward. So what will happen next is, you can see, it's going to email itself to me. And when that email comes, you're going to receive an email that looks exactly like this. And this email will show you your imported data. That's kind of what's on the first 4 columns here, right? So this is what was on our original spreadsheet. This is your row number, this is your part number, your description, your manufacturer, and this is what you matched it to. So we always show you the match just in case you want to double check. Maybe you accidentally matched that Delco Remy starter with a filter, or did something kind of odd there or unusual. But in this case, we show that all, and then we show you the VMRS digits. So VMRS has 3 different fields. It has digits 1 through 3, digits 4 through 6, and 7 through 9, so you can look at them individually. Or if you want to see the entire code for your VMRS system, there you go. And that's it. You can upload hundreds, thousands, as many as you want, and do them in mass. Or if you want to do one at a time, just head to www.truckpartscross.com for free, and you can look them up one at a time. Otherwise, hopefully the video showed you what to do here. We really encourage you to contact us with any issues you have, and thank you for doing business with Diesel Laptops.